Here's the Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless headphones. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset, okay? I'm not talking about a regular reset or restarting an actual factory reset. So when you do the factory reset, it's going to delete all the information as well as all the pairing information as well, back to factory defaults. Now to do an actual factory reset on these, you can't do it manually from here. You have to go into the app, okay? So I had to download the this Sennheiser app. It doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or Android phone, but I'm using a Android or a iPhone here. Let me just go to my app store or go to your Google Play Store for your Android, and then this is what you want to search for: Sennheiser Smart Control. This is what the icon here looks like. Okay, go ahead, download, install it, and then go ahead and set it up. Make sure it's set up to your Momentum 4. And then once you have the app open under My Devices, you want to go over here where it says Settings. Okay, tap on Settings. And now just go down here, just go down and factory resets right there. Tap on that and go ahead and read this right here, okay? The factory reset will take up to 20 seconds. The reset restores your headphones to the factory default settings. Take off your headphones before proceeding. After the factory reset, remove the product entries from the Bluetooth pairing list of your smartphone to connect again, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and tap on OK right here. And then we're gonna let it do its factory reset. You can see the status right here, so be patient here. Just about done. All right, your Momentum 4 has been successfully reset, okay? Now, if I want to connect it back to the same phone, I have to remove the product entries from the Bluetooth pairing list of your smartphone, okay? So let me click on OK, and I want to pair it back to this same iPhone here. So now what it's saying is I need to go into my settings here, and then I'm going to go into Bluetooth. And then Sennheiser Momentum 4. Let's see. Okay, it was listed under Momentum. It says not connected because I'm not connected, so it's asking me to go ahead and forget this. So let me click on this little eye right here, and I'm going to forget this device. Now it's completely gone, okay? Now if I want to go ahead and repair it now, let me put it in pairing mode. So this button here, let me press and hold for 5 seconds. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is in pairing mode. Now let me let go, and let's see if it finds it here. Let's see. Oh, there it is, Momentum 4. Tap on there, and now I'm back on. All right, pretty simple. Questions or issues, comment below. Good luck, guys.